Hello, little sprouts. Today I'm going to teach you about one-to-one correspondence. This is just a fancy way to say counting objects. This is an important beginning number sense skill. So let's talk about how to use one-to-one correspondence or count objects correctly. When you are counting objects that you can move on a table, a good idea is to move them as you count them. When we try to count them when they're clumped up, it's easy to make mistakes or count objects more than once. It's important when we're counting that we only count one number for each object, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 googly eyes. We do not want to count faster than we are touching the objects. So we don't want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is too fast, and we were counting extra numbers more than the objects we were moving. Let's try another example. These are a lot of paper clips, and it'd be very easy to make a mistake if we tried to count them in a pile like this. So again, remember when you're counting objects that you can move them as you count them, and make sure you're only moving one object each time you say a number, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 paper clips. When you are counting objects on a piece of paper, it's a little different because you cannot move them as you count. Again, we don't want to make the mistake of counting too fast or too slow. So a good way to do it when it's on paper and you can't move the objects is to use a pencil. So you're going to cross off one object as you say a number. Let's try the fish first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 fish. I only counted as I crossed off the objects. This helps us keep track of the ones we've counted. Let's try the drums. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 drums. This is how we do one-to-one correspondence. Have fun, little sprouts.